Rather impressed.
Have you had it long enough to make sure that it doesn't overheat?
Yeah, all the fans, if you leave the fans on,
I hit it now. Yeah. All 2999 subscribers. What a day to hit 3k. Oh. Refresh the thing.
Come on.
Yay!
Dylan's car's a bit broke. Just like, as soon as you lost it,
Oh, so good.
The cylinder was down, so that makes sense.
Turbo line. Oh mate, you gotta watch that YouTube. Oh, bad fab.
oh, kick it off. We're at Manawatu Car Club event and doing some paddock skids. Yeah, we'll show you that in a second because it's a pretty good field today that we've got going on.
Yeah.
And Dylan's got some exciting news.
Yeah, this is the Hayabusa Corolla's first New Zealand motorsports event.
Yeah,
Here's hoping she lasts.
We should be on. We should be on.
I don't know what will happen. Hopefully the driveline holds out. We've looked everything over. She was leaking a little bit of gas last night, but tightened a couple of hose clamps.
Yeah.
We're mint.
Don't want to set the field on fire. So.
Yeah. We've just passed scrutineering, so we've got the good to go. We're signed off.
Yeah, we'll show you the show you what the field looks like, and then we'll get into some action.
Line you up as you come up and line back around.
Our first practice lap out. Pretty good. Yeah, pretty good. Corolla's running all right. Bit of a breakup. Oh, looks like we're almost going again.
We're doing another side lap.
Let's go, Mr. Skiddy.
What happened?
I stalled it and then lost it and then stalled it and then lost it and then everyone was coming across the bridge already. So I was like, oh, well, I can't really pull in front of them. So I just came back and finished up my thing. So it runs good. I was just stalled it and lost it and then stalled it and lost it. Yeah.
Bubbles?
Yeah, right. Nah, she's good. We are on.
Yeah, mate, get in. Sweet bolt. Watch your ears. It's better. Definitely running better, just not great, yeah. Oh no! Oh Novus. Alright, we're going for a little road test because it's not happy on the gas. Nah, like, and around corners and stuff, so we want to see what happens in a straight line. I'd say come my side. Oh yeah, you just bottomed down. She's hit. Okay, seatbelt back on.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro, go on. Click her open. Yeah, it's all custom carbonated. Yeah. Slick. I don't know if you can hear me. I found myself in another motorbike engine car.
Dude,
Sorry?
I've broken something.
Oh no! Oh, that was hectic! Thank you so much for that, my man. Greatly appreciate it.
You're welcome, man.
You're a legend.
When you're ready to.
Last day. Show sick car, G.
Hey, mate.
How's that?
See, my seatbelt came off halfway around and I was trying to fight it the whole time. I was trying to get it back on, bro. I was like, fucking go!
Just forget
I
about
was
it.
like pulling on my arm, like backwards.
Oh.
Because it would like go back further and then lock.
Yeah, so
I'm
you're
like,
trying to turn.
drive like this, and I'm like, fuck.
Golden, golden. What a blast, what a blast. Can't see shit. Fucking hit it. No, lose it.
Yeah, mate.
You seeing life? Yeah, I can
Yeah,
see.
mate, I can see myself.
Oh, burnt.
Yeah, she's been a good day.
Yeah, yeah, all in all, pretty good. Pretty
Sun
good.
is shining.
Yeah.
Could have gone slightly
It's
better.
been Corolla than
This thing.
Yeah, yeah, fuel pressure
Yeah,
problems.
Yeah, again. So hopefully we can
Mm.
resolve those issues because it's actually we're scratching our head at the moment.
Yeah, don't know what it is, that's the problem.
Yeah. So it's definitely fuel or power.
Yeah,
One of those two things.
yeah,
The power causing the fuel issue or just fuel.
not
So,
being, yeah.
But other than that, everyone thought it was sick.
Yeah,
So
everyone
that's-
enjoyed seeing it.
That's always a good buzz.
Yeah, I got to experience another motorcycle car, so that was
Yeah.
really fun to so you
Half
got
a
to see
day
that.
ripping it.
Yeah, so
yeah.
it's like gives me something to work towards for that.
Yep.
Yeah,
But
but
other than that,
that went good.
that went good.
Did
As
its
always.
things. Yeah.
Trusty Honda.
Yeah. Yeah, got a couple things in the Falcon back there, so that was good fun.
The replacement vehicle.
Yeah, try and shoot.
But yeah, no, I enjoyed today heaps as always.
Yeah, and we'll keep an eye out for results, see if this can actually like got a certificate. That would be fun. That would be fun.
And the front wheel drive class, I felt pretty fast.
Yeah, it looked fast compared
Yeah.
to everyone, but
Sweet.
you
that's
never
like-
know.
That's what we like to hear. But yeah, other
Yeah.
than that, it was a mint day. We had a nice little barbecue over there, so yeah, it was mint.
Mm,
It was
mm,
mint,
mm.
and I hope you enjoyed the video.
Yeah, so thank you for Manual 2 Car Club for
Yeah.
putting on something like this for us to attend to.
Hard out, as always.
Yeah,
Sweet.
till the next one.
Yeah, catch us later.
Later. Oh, mate, you gotta watch our YouTube.
I've never made one before.
Oh, bad fab.